Hey everyone, this is medical.com. In this video, we are going to talk about severe acute malnutrition or SAM. This is a quick revision presentation. WHO and UNICEF defined SAM among children 6 to 59 months of age as any of the following three criteria: weight for height -3 standard deviation, presence of bipedal edema, mid upper arm circumference below 11.5 cm in child below 6 months of age. Mid upper arm circumference is not used. Now, what is the difference between complicated and uncomplicated SAM? First of all, there is SAM, which is weight for height -3 standard deviation, bipedal edema, and mid upper arm circumference below 11.5 cm. With any of the following complication, which is severe edema or low appetite, or medical complication like severe anemia, pneumonia, diarrhea, TB, heart disease, or one of the more danger sign. If any of this is not present, it is considered as uncomplicated SAM, which is supervised at home. If any of the complication is present, it is considered as complicated SAM. Inpatient management in a facility is needed. Uncomplicated SAM management: nutritional therapy, initial home food or route of ready-to-use therapeutic food, 175 kilocalorie kg per day is needed. Feed 6 to 8 times a day. Other treatment include oral amoxicillin for 5 days, vitamin A, albendazole 400 mg single dose, age appropriate vaccine, sensory stimulation, play, physical activity, interaction, supervision and support, monitoring by health worker, ASHA, Anganwadi workers, assess intake, solve breastfeeding issue, assess growth weekly. Complicated SAM management: all children with complicated SAM should be hospitalized. Malnutrition may be the presentation of HIV infection. Following clinical features should be looked for: fever, hypothermia, sign of dehydration, shock, anemia, eye sign of vitamin A deficiency, localizing sign of infection like pneumonia, skin infection, diarrhea, TB, mouth ulcer, skin changes of kwashiorkor. General treatment of complicated SAM involves 10 steps, which is divided into two phases. Initial stabilizing phase, focusing on restoring homeostasis and treating medical complication, and usually take 2 to 7 days. Rehabilitation phase, focus on rebuilding waste tissue and may take several weeks. Management of complicated SAM. First of all, we will treat hypoglycemia, blood sugar level less than 54 mg deciliter. Hypoglycemia, hypothermia and infection generally occur as a triad. Treatment include: give 50 ml of 10% glucose or sucrose orally or by nasogastric tube, followed by first feed. Feed with starter F75 every 2 hourly, day and night. Start appropriate antibiotic because of the triad. Hypothermia, rectal or axillary temperature less than 35 degrees Celsius. Treatment: clothe the child, cover the head, provide heat using overhead warmer. Skin contact, avoid rapid rewarming as this may be lead to disequilibrium, and kangaroo mother care can also be done. Dehydration, assume that all severely malnourished child with watery diarrhea have some dehydration. Use reduced osmolarity ORS with potassium supplements. Electrolyte, give supplemental potassium at 3 to 4 milliequivalent kg per day for at least 2 weeks. On day 1, give 50% magnesium sulfate 4 milliequivalent ml IM or once. Thereafter, give extra magnesium 0.8 to 1.2 milliequivalent kg per day. Infection, treat with parenteral ampicillin 50 mg kg, dose 6 hourly for at least 2 days, followed by amoxicillin 15 mg per kg 8 hourly for 5 days and gentamicin 7.5 mg per kg IM or IV daily for 7 days. If no improvement occurs within 48 hours, change to IV ceftriaxone 50 to 75 mg per kg per day 12 hourly. Give measles vaccine if the child is more than 6 months and not immunized. Micronutrients. On day 1, give vitamin A orally. If the age is more than 1 year, give 2 lakh international unit. Age is from 6 to 12 months, give 1 lakh international unit, and less than 6 months 50,000 international unit. Folic acid 1 mg per day, give 5 mg on day 1. Zinc 2 mg per kg per day, copper 0.2 to 0.3 mg per kg per day, and iron 3 mg per kg per day. Initial feeding. Start feeding as soon as possible, as frequent small feeding. Total fluid recommended is 130 ml per kg per day. Reduce to 100 mg per kg day if there is severe edema. Continue breastfeeding. Start with F75 starter feed every 2 hourly. Catch up growth. Once appetite returns in 2 to 3 days, encourage higher intake, increase volume offered at each feed, and decrease the frequency of feed to 6 feed per day. Continue breastfeeding. Sensory stimulation, age appropriate physical activity, and appropriate structural play therapy. Follow up. Child with SAM may be considered to have completed treatment when there is no edema for at least 2 weeks, plus weight for height reaches -2 standard deviation or mid upper arm circumference is more than 12.5 cm.